Thutha wa uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Sylvester gutabanio, muthuthuria wa miri ndagitari Peter Ndegwa aumbũrĩte atĩ rithathi iria yoragire Sylvester yatonyeire igũrũ wa ritho rĩake rĩa ũmotho na ndĩaumĩire na thutha.
He was shot on the head, just single bullet, with an entrance on the left, just above the left eye, and the bullet went in through the head, inside the head, and lodged somewhere at the right back of the head. So the bullet was lodged there. We have recovered it. It had not exited. So the brain, there was a lot of bleeding in the brain, and also you can imagine the amount of destruction of the brain when the bullet was going through there.
Nĩ ũndũ ũtuthũrĩte kĩeha ona makĩria kũrĩ nyina ũrĩa ugĩte ambire kwĩrwo atĩ nĩ ihiga rĩaringire mũrũwe nginya agĩkua.
Yule nilikuta huku moshari amepasuliwa, nilienda polisi nikaambiwa ni mawe. Si mawe imetolewa kwa kichwa mtoto wangu. Kuna ile kitu imetolewa na wamepatiwa. Mimi nataka haki. Mimi ni mama single. Mimi nimeachwa na sina hata kutoka hiyo siku sifanyi kazi sikuli. Atetetie thirikari ni kuhuthira hinya mukiruku agiteterithia ati mũrũwe ndarĩ na mahitia makinyĩte kũragwo. Mimi nataka haki. Mimi ni single. Mimi ni mama. Mimi na wanga nguo. Mimi nataka haki ya mtoto wangu. Wanipatie haki. Sababu si mwizi alimgonga. Ni askari. Mimi nataka haki. Mimi nataka haki. Na nikiongea hivyo kuna siku niliongea huko wakanifuata na hiyo gari yao. Mimi nataka haki. Mimi nataka haki. Ahuranĩri a ihoto cia ũmũndũ ono nĩ makumithĩtie ngero ĩno makĩũria rũhonge rwa gũthuthuria mũrutĩre wa wĩra wa maabitha a borithi IPOA rwĩke mĩtũkĩ gũthuthuria gĩkuũ gĩa Sylvester nĩguo kĩhoto kĩoneke.
So what you're asking for is that the officers who are on duty that day and the officers who actually ideally did this matter to be arrested and to be prosecuted.
Mwiri wa Sylvester ukahurukio itũra-inĩ rĩa Kaiti mwena wa Marmanet mũthĩ wa gatano kiumia gĩkĩ. Ijulikane nani huyo alimchuti na kama ako na mtoto na kama ni mzazi na kama ako na watoto. Mimi nataka haki ya mtoto wangu. Githui wa Wairimũ, Laikipia.